and I'm with more Pixelmon. I've not played this for like 2 months, so I am stoked to play this. Got some mill tanks fighting each other, and yeah. Okay, so that was lucky. I just turned around and found... Is it yet? I found a shiny aron. Oh. Okay. I can't really fight it, so I'm just gonna... So I'm gonna use my master ball, but it's just shiny. And I'm going to save it for a legendary, like Moo. Aron's quite heavy actually, so... No, I've caught him because of a glitch, so at least I have a shiny aron now, even though for some reason it took me a master ball to get in. Yay! Let's go back up to my house, actually. And yeah, last time we played, I was with Back to the Future, and he had a shiny Gyarados, or Gyarados, I don't even care anymore. And what else did he have? He must have had, yeah, and he also had a Mew, but I forgot to take them back, and I'm not going to spawn them in. Yay! So Aggron, just look. I'm going to train these two up. Sorry about that, guys. About that, I realised my recording software just shut down. So, what was I? Yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to train this Prinplup up and this Quilava up. I'll probably Mudkip as well. Back to the Future House. So I'm hopefully going to find one of them at some point. But yeah, he'll be trained up and shoved in there because I have Lapras now. And then Quilava will be trained up and taken out for Charmander. And I'll probably hurt Machamp. In fact, I will now. Does he have anything on him? No. Wait, does he? No, it doesn't. Machamp is going in as well as Aggron, and I'm going to train up my Chikorita. So yeah, this is going to be fun. Just go check out all the stuff in my house. I haven't seen this. I haven't seen it in a while. You guys have, because you guys have still been watching. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed that long, like 2 long recording sessions with Back to the Future. But yeah, leave a like if you want to see that more, because it's quite hard to arrange, but we did it for too long, but we did it, so it's okay. And yeah, so let's look. I've got to catch Rayquaza, Mewtwo, Moltres. I think I'm going to go train in the plains, because that's where Rayquaza's from. Got a Mew, Moltres, Mewtwo, Articuno, Zapdos, 7 evolutions. No, I'll do that another time. All start Pokemon. I've almost got that. I literally need Bulbasaur, Turtwig, and Mudkip. Actually, no, I can say Mudkip because I've already found it. Same with the Mew. Beldum, Ormatang, got you. Aron, I got you. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change that to what I actually found it. So you do tick, level 17. If you just look at the time, you probably can't see my mouse, which is a problem, so no, you should be able to see my mouse, if you can. If you look over there to the left down, 8th of the 12th, 13. And here we are doing 9th of the 12th, just kidding, 9th of the 2nd, 14. 11:05. Okay. And yeah, alright, that's been shot, ghastly. But yeah, need Dragonair or Dratini or Dragonair is what I'm gonna hope to find. I don't think we've ever been to the Nether on this, but it's more of an off-screen thing because you don't really need to go to the Nether on this. I do it on all the stuff. And yeah, also I just want to say, if you haven't seen it, you should. Dino Park Streams Behind the Scenes is going Jurassic Park scale and will not be witnessed by you guys for quite a while. But yeah, so hope you look forward to that. So yeah, I'm just looking for something quickly. I already checked you. So I don't remember the movesets I have on these things. And I'm just checking. That would not be a good idea this fighters. But I don't even know the moveset for that. Well, that's not a bad moveset, but it's not good enough. Probably should have kept my aggro for this. Ooh. Ah, that's good. Okay, so I'm going to get a little bit of training on Aron here. I'm just going to do a mud snap. So that's a super effective here. Pokemon. Now I don't have a really strong Pokemon. I've got Lapras and Rattan. Are my two strongest. They're only like a level between each other. I'm just gonna try Bullet Punch because that is the bomb. Except it's not very effective, so I'm gonna try Miracle Eye, which probably wasn't the best idea. Probably should have used Pursuit, which I didn't think what it was. Then Headbutt, that's what I wanted. Oh, that's good. More. Yeah. We'll get rid of Headbutt. I swear I saw an Onyx. So, just get that gunpowder. Then get so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the XP share on it. XP share on Aron. I can get Lapras out for a negative. Did that actually hurt you, boy? I'll just do this quickly. I'll just give you a quick brine. There we go. So yeah, where should we go? I think I want to go to the plains area, so that's where I'm going to go. Because of Rayquaza. So yeah, that's where I'm going to go. And on this, yeah, I know there's quite a lot of like stuff, I guess, everywhere. And that's just because, like, I'm basically going to train on all Pokemon I have. But yeah, there's like coal and stuff everywhere, and I don't mind it because I don't need to on it. Okay, so I'm just gonna put a swine, flame wheel. Oh, that's actually a really high level. I didn't realise how high a level that was. I'm just gonna check something quickly. Actually. I want to go for another flame wheel. Here we go. Okay, let me just check something. Okay, I really regret something now, but I don't actually regret because I realise I still have it. Try hope he misses. Let's go for you. You'll hopefully see what I'm doing in a sec. Now, that's really low. Keep doing it. Then I'll probably just wipe it outside now. Oh, come on, don't use them attacking. This is like... Wish I'd caught the time. Oh, come on! Oh, okay, Matang, you can finish it off. Why didn't I use you to start with? Bullet punch. Now I got a ton of XP from the turn, and I'm just gonna sleep quickly. But yeah, I'm just gonna fight everything I can to get XP, rather than what I used to do, where I used to be really picky and not fight much. I think I'm gonna go to my treehouse actually, because I need to go search in forests for my beauties. Also, I want to know, go back to where my ice plains was, so I can maybe get an Articuno or icy mountains. But I don't know how hard that will be to do. Right now, I think I'm gonna train my Prumplop. Fine. Just gonna try basically train up everything. So I'm pretty much if I see a Pokemon, I'll probably have something to attack it. I'm just gonna brine you. I